So good morning. I wanted to show you the percolator I've been using since last June. When an alarming story about the microplastics in water and air came out in Consumer Reports magazine. This is the Farberware fully automatic Superfast percolator my parents used back in the late 80s and 90s. I wanted to show you how clean I got the inside after a member of our family, I won't mention who it was exactly, drained the pot and left it plugged in. And there was a large black ring around the heating element in the center there. We had run out of Barkeeper's Friend, but we got some, and this is a powder that has acid in it. So one application of that pretty much eliminated the black ring, which is about an inch wide around the heating element. I still can do a little touch-up, as you can see, but the rest of the pot also was very dingy and stained with coffee, but this seems to do the job. Not a paid endorsement, of course. Nobody's giving me any money. It's just a great product that you might find handy, whether you use a percolator or not. Just a traditional coffee pot, stainless steel coffee pot, will work on that as well. Enjoy.